Time now to connect the dots. When we make the news make sense. Has your better half maybe ever complained that you snore while you sleep? Well, if the answer is yes, you might want to apologize to them first and then start thinking about your overall health.
Snoring. It doesn't just disrupt your sleep, it can cause long-term health effects. Let's connect the dots. Snoring is often caused by sleep apnea or other health conditions. They can obstruct your breathing, which causes that loud snoring. All that can lead to a restless night's sleep. Sleep experts found that if you lose about 10% of sleep, or 48 minutes a night, throughout your entire life, your brain will age about 2 years faster. That less sleep equals quicker mental decline. Studies show about 1 in 5 people suffer from snoring, but only about 3% actually get treatment. That could include working out more, using a CPAP machine, or getting surgery to fix obstructions in your nose or throat. And that is connecting the dots.